Kenyans are welcoming. Trust me, they are welcome. Even to the extent that someone told me I should take 3 wives back to Nigeria. So far, guys, an exclusive. So far, this is the best country I've been to, and I'm not regretting it. Trust me, Kenya is amazing. Come and experience Kenya yourself.
You as a Nigerian, how would you say the treatment has been for you from the locals here in Kenya? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren
and I'm Mori.
Yeah, so today we are very excited because you're going to meet one of our mentors, and he's actually from Nigeria. I'm not sure if it's Nigeria or Ghana, but you're going to find out. So when we heard he was in the country, we reached out to him on IG, and luckily enough he reached back and he agreed to meet with us. So you guys, I know you love our episodes, and the reason why we started doing these episodes is because he was doing the same kind of episodes, and we saw what do you call it, we saw okay, he's from West Africa, and there was nobody who was doing those kind of videos in East Africa, you know. So we got inspired and decided to do the same kind of videos, you know. So today we are going to be meeting him, and we are very, very happy and excited because we are going to, you know, we're going to meet him. And so he's been in Kenya for a while, but if I'm not wrong, he's about to leave. Yeah, so we are very excited. So we're in the streets of Nairobi, and it's very cold, as you guys can see. And yeah, it's very cold, so we are putting on our jacket, but we are very excited nonetheless.
And we're just happy that you agreed to give us audience, you know, because not so many YouTubers do that, especially if you are at the top there, you know.
Yeah. So come with us, let's show you the beautiful streets of Nairobi. You know, it's in the morning.
Yeah.
Right now it's 9 a.m. and businesses are already open, you see. Nairobians are very hardworking. This is a very fast-moving paced city. So when you're in Nairobi, you find yourself in that circle of, you know, always looking for money. But it's also a very expensive city, I must say.
Yeah.
It's a very expensive city. Yeah. For the foreigners who are watching the video, we're going to be meeting our mentor at a place called Kenyan National Theatre. Hopefully we are going to be giving a tour of the place and how it looks. Normally it's a place where content creators go, meet, network, create content, you know. So that is where we're going to be meeting him. In Kenya, locals in Nairobi call it KNT. So that's the short form of Kenya National Theatre. If you ever find yourself, right now we're at Kijabe Street, just headed there. If you ever find yourself in Nairobi, and let's say you wanna do content,
that is the best place to meet most content creators,
and not only small upcoming content creators, even big content creators come here. Big celebrities, you know.
You just have to have the right timing, I may say.
So come with us, let's show you how Nairobi looks. It's very beautiful. Right now it's 9:15. It's 9:15 a.m. Okay, they've seen. So right now it's 9:15 a.m. We've talked with him and he's almost here. Looks like, and that is Maren checking out a few videos.
I wish they had written the name of the photographer. Beautiful. This is African art.
So guys, the good thing about KNT is that all creatives are allowed in this area.
Yeah.
And they allow filming. You know, the areas you go and they restrict filming.
Yeah.
So the good thing about this place is that you see, like now we've found this art here. No one has restricted us from filming because it's a creative space, you know. Action. So hi guys, we are here with Connect's vlog. We told you we were going to meet. By the way, we normally refer to you as our mentor. Yeah. All the way from Nigeria.
Wow.
And we are going to let him introduce himself first before we go on with the video, right? Okay, so maybe introduce yourself, tell our fans who you are, what you do.
Hi guys, my name is Kunle of Kenyan.We. I create entertainment videos around Africa, showing you Africa, edutainment around Africa, showing about Africa, everything, the food, the culture, the people, the places, the way of life, everything basically. Yes, that's what we do.
And maybe you're famous for your channel. You've not tell them your YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah, the channel is actually Kenyan.We. It's Kenyan.We. Yeah, well, we're going to 100,000 subscribers, guys. Probably our Kenyan videos will get us to 100,000 subscribers. Kenyans, let's do this. Expect Kenyan videos from awesome. Also, subscribe to their channel, guys. Like, they're doing amazing
Thank
work,
you.
guys. Like, it's not easy. Trust me. Like, they're doing well. That's what I'll just say. Support them, guys.
Thank you so much. So you're a content creator based in Nigeria, right? So maybe you tell us what inspired you to start the kind of content you do on your channel. Guys, you have to pass by his channel, Kenyan.We, and check out what he normally does.
Okay, so the thing is, YouTube started as a career for me because it's more like a journey. I started all the way from blogging, photography. So I know like everything I was going into was going to be media basically, but I haven't found my foot yet, like my base yet. So COVID happened. So I was trying to see what I could do. My in-law started her own YouTube basically. So I was like, I used to watch YouTube basically. So I saw that she was doing something. That's when I started doing mine basically. And I was having a 9 to 5. For a fact, I quit my 9 to 5 for YouTube. So I quit my 9 to 5 after I saw that the progress on YouTube and I also the dedication, like YouTube needs your dedication, consistency. I won't lie about that. If you're not consistent on YouTube, you're joking. You're joking, trust me. If you're not consistent on YouTube, you're joking. So that's how it started. And also shout out to my friend from Ghana, Iman of Ghana. If you check Ghana, he was the face behind Ghana. He came to Nigeria for a month. I studied him for a month, and the results paid off basically because the way he was shooting. Normally, I would go out and shoot one video a day, but in a day he would shoot 3 videos. I like the work ethic of this guy is amazing. He's strong. So trust me, he's one of my strongest. Should I say call him mentor? And a brother, a friend. Shout out to you, Iman, if you watch this video. You're amazing. So I studied for a month, and after that, I told him I was going to do a video. What Nigerians think about Ghana, and that video went up. I think that video is going on to 200 or 200k views. Yeah, that's how I started. And to God be the glory. We're traveling around Africa. We're now in Kenya, country number 4, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So yeah, that's where we are now. Kenya. I'm enjoying Kenya. That's what I'll say.
So you've said country number 4. What other countries have you traveled to?
Okay, I've been to Ghana. I've been to Benin Republic. I've been to Rwanda, but I haven't created content. Just touched down, and then country number 4, which is Kenya. Now Kenya. Yeah, Kenya. Doing well. Trust me, guys. The videos in Kenya Anticipate, guys.
We are really waiting for those your Kenya series videos. So every great person who becomes successful has someone who they look up to. So you said who, maybe you can mention to us a few of those who you looked up to as you're coming up.
Okay, so the thing is, I look at everybody, even you, but I would like to one of my video ideas for Kenya. I won't mention it yet, but you would definitely see it. Was from you guys.
Oh, thank you. So for us, we can say you're one of the people who inspired us to do the kind of line we do on YouTube right now. So much so that we had to go and print our shirts. You see the similarities? Twins hang out Kenya.
Oh, the similarities.
Yeah, so that's some kind
I'm
of...
honored.
Thank you.
I'm honored.
Yeah. So how are you finding Kenya?
If I say everything, you wouldn't watch my video. So I'll just give you the highlights. Yeah. Kenya is amazing. One, the roads. The Kenyan government are intentional about their roads. Now, straight from the airport. Oh my God. Now the people are welcome. Like I used to hear that Kenyans they welcome people, but until you experience something yourself, you would be able to say yes, it's true. So Kenyans are welcoming. Trust me, they are welcome. Even to the extent that someone told me I should take 3 wives back to Nigeria. But I'm not a 3-wife person. I'm one person. Like I'm one man, one woman kind of person. So like I'm enjoying Kenya, the food, the people, the culture. I'm learning Swahili. I'm learning. Basically, Kenya is amazing. It's so far, guys, an exclusive. So far, this is the best country I've been to, and I'm not regretting it. Trust me, Kenya is amazing. Come and experience Kenya yourself. I can't say everything now, but go and watch the video when the video comes out. Kenya is amazing. Come and experience Kenya yourself. Don't be told.
And from your accent, obviously, when people are from different regions of Africa, the accent normally sells us out. Which part of Africa you come from. So you as a Nigerian, how would you say the treatment has been for you from the locals here in Kenya?
Okay. The thing, what sells me out is when someone greets me in Swahili. I'll be like,
okay.
Or basically I'll just say something, but the person will be like maybe Jumbo or something like that, or Jomo or something like that. So I won't be able to respond. The person will be like, oh, where are you from? I'll be like, I'm from Africa. No, where are you from? I'm from Nigeria, basically. So basically I think what differentiates us basically is our languages. The way we talk and everything. But trust me, if a Kenyan talk, if you put a Kenyan here, a South African here, and Kenya and South African, I'll know which one is which, because that's what makes us unique. The tone, the way we talk, basically. So it's amazing. So in all, I'm African. I'm Nigerian first, but I'm African. Also probably I might be a Kenyan. Who knows? I might relocate to Kenya. Who knows? Watch out.
Okay. When I used to watch your videos, there are those that you've done of Ghana and there are those that you've done of Nigeria. So it was quite okay. I'll speak for myself. Sometimes it becomes hard to know where you're from, because I believe Ghana and Nigeria have similar accents. I can say it's the same thing when you say a Kenyan and a Tanzanian, because we both speak Swahili, and there are Kenyans who come from the coast, especially, who speak their Swahili is very close to those ones who come from Tanzania. So how would you say how can people differentiate Nigerians and Ghanaians? Because I believe us who stay away from you, we can't know the difference.
What I would say is we have a general language which is Pidgin. So the Ghanaian Pidgin, they try to infuse their own language into it. Also Wisu, basically. So that's why you know the difference. Like now, the Pidgin is how you day. A Ghanaian too can say how you day, meaning how are you. Basically, you don't chop, meaning have you eaten. So Ghanaians too can say, but they can add, they can tune their own native language into it. So that's what the difference is, basically. But for me as a Nigerian, I think I wouldn't say our Pidgin is very, very deep. It's deep, very, very deep. So that's the difference. The tonation and the way we say it, the tonation basically, and our native languages, I would put it into, we chip it into the our Pidgin,
Okay. So anyway, we are very happy to have you on our channel. Any last words maybe you can say to our fans? What should we be looking forward to?
Before last words.
Okay.
There's some program we were seeing. I don't know if you know Nons Miraj from Nigeria.
Yes, I do. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So we were watching her videos, and what we noticed mostly about her guests is that Nigerians like bleaching. I don't know. Is that a crisis there?
Okay. Bleaching. I would say to that effect is an individual thing. It's a preference. For me, like most people, basically, even most people, I think they're attracted to the lighter skin, but I think it's an individual thing.
Okay.
But Nigerians, we love you the way you are, basically. But the bleaching of a thing is an individual thing. For me, I love my color. Black. If you don't like me, it's your business. I love myself. Be me, be you, and be true to yourself. That's just it.
And would you say maybe your movie industry has contributed to that, because your Nollywood is quite a big industry, even as you're addicted to Nollywood? Would you say that brings the pressure?
Trust me, like what I've seen so far, like Kenyans love Nigerian music, Nigerian movies, because the people I've encountered, they are even speaking pidgin, because Nigerian movies, they speak pidgin, so they're influencing Kenyans to speak pidgin too. So it's amazing that I'm even a part, because very soon one of our future projects is going into movies, like movies. So basically, Nollywood is a big, because when you ask a Kenyan, what do you think about Nigeria? One of the first things they say is the movies, the music. So Nollywood is actually one of our greatest exports as Nigerians. So Nollywood to the world, and probably, what do you call Kenyans Nollywood scene? Riverwood.
Yeah.
Riverwood to the world too, guys.
Is there a Kenyan movie that you've watched?
Or a Kenyan song that you're addicted to?
Trust me, guys. The movies, not yet, but song, my number one, it's Out to Soul.